Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Live Tech Champ 7.1 channel USB sound card. On the front of the box, we have a generic image of someone playing music. On the bottom, we have an illustration of the devices with which this sound card can be used. For example, with computing devices, microphones, and speakers. On the right hand side, on the bottom, we have the different operating systems with which this device can be used, like iOS, Android, Windows, and Linux. On the left hand side of the box, we have the various social media handles of the brand. On the right hand side, we have a QR code that leads to the brand's website. There is nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. On the back of the box, up here, we have a brief description of the product. So let's read through that quickly. It says here that the USB Virtual 7.1 channel sound adapter is a highly flexible audio interface which can be used with any desktop or notebook PC. It is bundled with Gear 30 sound simulation software, and it turns your stereo speakers into 7.1 channel environments. No drivers are required, just plug and play for instant audio playback, and it is compatible with all major operating systems. Over here, we have the different system requirements for the device, which include desktops or notebooks with a USB port. It is compatible with Windows 98 or above, Linux, and Mac OS 10 or higher. Gear 30 Virtual 7.1 channels sound simulation software is also included. That is included in the plug and play fashion. Basically, you just plug the device in and it will detect and install the drivers automatically. The additional features and specifications include compatibility with USB devices like which are 2.0 and 1.0. It is USB powered, so no additional extra power is required. The connector types are USB Type A and stereo output jack and mono microphone input jack. Lastly, it is driverless and does not require any drivers, as we have already mentioned earlier. Over here, we have the different devices that it is compatible with, which include notebooks, desktops, laptops, speakers, headsets, and microphones. Over here on the bottom, we have the importing and manufacturing information, and lastly, we have the details for the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the device itself. We can see that it has a black color theme going for it and has a plastic build. Up top, we have the Live Tech branding, and we have two symbols for the microphone and headphone. They correlate to the 3.5 audio jacks on the bottom. Up top, we have a USB Type A interface. There's nothing on the back, and that's about it when it comes to this device. Let's see it in action now. So what this device basically does, that it converts stereo 2 channel sound into virtual 7.1 channel simulated sound. So basically you can take a 2 channel stereo headset and simulate 7.1 surround on the same headset. Let's see that in action now. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will be using a laptop PC and a pair of headphones. Plug the device into its appropriate receptacle, that is a USB Type A receptacle, and connect the audio cables of the headphone into the device itself. Make sure to put the headset cable into the headset port and the microphone cable into the microphone port. Once the device has detected and installed the drivers, you can use this headset to listen to 7.1 channel simulated surround sound. So this was the unboxing of the Live Tech Champ 7.1 channel USB sound card. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.